An alternate method for replacing the film rolls involves tacking the new film onto the existing film and feeding it through the laminator. This method requires the laminator to be hot. Use extreme caution and avoid contact with the heat rollers. Preheat the laminator until the ready lamp illuminates. Remove the feed tray. Cut the remaining top and bottom film between the supply rolls and heat rollers. Raise the safety shield to the full upright position. Be certain you do not allow the adhesive side of the film to contact the heat or pull rollers. Remove the bottom film supply roll from the laminator as we described in the previous section. Lower the bottom idler bar. Load the new film on the film supply shafts as previously described. Unroll enough film from the new bottom roll to slide under the bottom idler bar and tack to the existing film. Slide the bottom idler bar back into place and install the new roll of film. Lower the safety shield and replace the top roll of film. Unroll the film and tuck it behind the safety shield. Open the safety shield and tack the new film to the existing top roll of film. Install the feed table and lower the safety shield. Press slow for the slowest speed setting and press run. Watch as the film is being pulled through the laminator to assure that the remaining existing film and the new film are advancing at the same time. Any separation between the films will require stopping the motor immediately and correcting the situation. Press stop once the newly threaded film is completely exiting the laminator.